Hello all you beautiful people, how are you doing today? This is Love Temptress and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. Hi! Today we're going to be talking about another Humble book bundle that was just released. And this one is a Data and AI by O'Reilly bundle. So this one is right up your alley if you're all into programming. So it is ebooks like Learning SQL, 3rd edition, Building Machine Learning, Powered Applications, and Generating Deep Learning. So the total bundle is $798 worth of awesome stuff. Of course, that is only for the top bundle, so keep that in mind. Of course, you can start out with just paying $1 for the first bundle. They are DRM free, which means you can have them on multiple devices at once, and they are multi-formatted, so it'll work for the different apps. So there's PDF, Mobi, and EPUB. As of right now, there are 88 bundles sold. You can click here to get the bundle or down below. As of right now, there are 21 days, 23 hours, 31 minutes, and 37 seconds left in this bundle. But if you need a reminder, you can click here and it'll send an email to your registered email on the account and remind you before the bundle's up, so in case you want to come take a look at it. Alright, so let's see. For the first bundle, you get 5 books to start off with, and that's just for $1, so that's pretty awesome. So they're all by O'Reilly, and you'll get Data Science from Scratch. It is the 2nd edition. You can click here to get a preview, and you can read a little bit more about what each one is. But then there's also Natural Language Processing with PyTorch, Streaming Systems, Our Cookbook, and Generative Deep Learning. Now, the way the bundles work is this next tier is $8. So if you purchase this next tier, you will also get the tier above it, so the dollar bundle. Now, for the $15 one, which is our top one today, you would get everything in the $8 and $1 bundle also. So in the $8 bundle, we have Practical Automated Machine Learning on Azure, Machine Learning Pocket Reference, Working with Structured Data in Python, Learning SQL, Practical Data Science with SAP, and Deep Learning from Scratch. Next we have, for the $15 bundle, Mastering Spark with R, Building Machine Learning Powered Applications, Strengthening Deep Neural Networks, Practical Synthetic Data Generations, and Practical Deep Learning for Cloud, Mobile, and Edge. So for $15, you would get everything here, and of course it supports the charity Code for America. Now, for Humble Bundle, you can click on the amount you want to pay here. If the dollar does not show, you can always click Custom Amount, and then you can put in the dollar. Now, whichever way you do it, it's going to pop up and warn you that you don't get the other bundles. But if all you want is the dollar bundle, that is totally fine. Don't even worry about it. Click here only if you want to add Humble Choice to your cart, but that is not required for any of the bundles. Now, you can click down here to give it as a gift and even make it anonymous, which is pretty cool. But here is where you click to pay. So you can pay with your card, pay with PayPal, pay with Amazon, and pay with Alipay. And that is it for this short and sweet little bundle. I will have my affiliate link down below. If you use that, I do make a little bit, so thank you very much for your support. Let me know what you think. This isn't my kind of bundle just because I'm currently not looking into learning a whole bunch of programming stuff. But if this is up your alley, let me know. I love to see your questions and comments. So until next time, this is Love Temptress. Don't get burned.